Christmas. And me and Michelle are going to meet up with my cousin in Kamperan. This time we tried to get class, so we did a good job. We made it to our sprinter, and I think we are the only two persons in the sprinter right now. And oh, and a worker, of course. It's very foggy, it's cold, and I have this jean jacket. Guys, we're gonna eat food. Good morning, guys, and off we go. Road trip just began, so let's do this, guys. Michelle, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You don't see us very well because we don't have a lot of light in the car, but we will make do what we have. France. We have 12 hours more to go and 4 minutes. A way long way to go. Still in France. I didn't know that France was this big, and we have 5 hours and 40 something minutes left to reach our destination, and we stopped for hot drinks. I got a hot chocolate, so yeah. Stopping at the McDonald's. Look at this view. I've been to France before. I went to Paris, but I never had McDonald's when I went. Credit? I don't know. Pero check.
Qual é o nome daqui? Isso aqui? This brings so much memory. Oh my god.
Bye-bye town. Thanks for the McDonald's. It was good. Okay guys, we made it to Spain. Hi guys. Last night we reached in late, so I didn't vlog that, but we made it to Barcelona, Spain, and now we're gonna take the metro to go to La Sagrada Familia. And this is the gang behind me, everybody. And yeah, let's start our day. It's early in the morning. Look guys, Danny, Nichi and Jackie.
Hi everyone.
And they're going today back to Holland.
It's gonna be freezing cold.
So you guys won't be here for the New Year's with the Cuba, but you guys will be part of the vlog.
Yep, and we'll be in Nijmegen.
Yeah. Guys, we made it to La Sagrada Familia. Oh, those glasses are so beautiful. Hey guys, today we're gonna try a Venezuelan restaurant here in Barcelona, and here's the menu. You can see it very well, but here's a peek of the menu. We ordered yuca asada, tequeños, and we ordered also arepa de nata. Oof, guys. Oh, the sauce that comes with the yuca, it's delicious. The guys order sopa, soup. I ordered a vegan arepa, and it had plantain, avocado, black beans. Guys, I really recommend this restaurant. You have to try it out. We are at El Nacional, and we are just looking, and it's decorated so cute for Christmas, and it's very busy. Everybody's going out for dinner, I think. So far, I really like Barcelona. So far, what I see. Going to a mall, National Mar, I think it's the name of the mall. And yeah, this is the third day. No, this is the second day. Oh my god. And enjoying Spain. When I saw this, I thought it was a roller coaster. Oops, my bad. But guys, it looks like a roller coaster. We going shopping. need one. Guys, I was really looking forward to find kombucha in the supermarket, and I found it. I went with this one, the pina colada one. The guys ordered a share appetizer that was shrimp. I ordered a vegan burger that was delicious, guys. And the guys ordered 2 barbecue burgers. Missy burger. It was a special champion edition. Hi guys, we are in Hotel Arts and we are in the restroom. The restroom is so beautiful. And let me tell you, fancy. You wash your hands, you have hand towels. These are real, these are fresh, and when you're done finishing washing your hand, wow, beautiful. I like all the Christmas lights, the Christmas decor, you can skate there, and the Ferris wheel, the sunset, wow. Wow, I'm in love. I miss this back home. I miss the sunset, all the palm trees. I miss this really. I'm gonna try that one, and Michelle's gonna try the hot dogs, the corn dogs. It looks delicious, everything.
No, the hot dog.
Michelle, give it a taste test. Oh, okay. Michelle liked her corn dog very much, and we went another day to buy it again. Mine was good, but it was too doughy. At same stand we got the corn dog, you have to try the taquinos. They are really good and they are not doughy. The empanadas are really good, but they have to heat them up a little bit more, and the fresh juice, guys, I really recommend it. They are amazing. Tonight we have taco night at home. We decided to stay in and cook dinner, and this is what we cooked. It looks like a feast, and that's exactly what it is. Hi guys, welcome to day 4th, 5th day. I don't know which day we are, but yeah. This is so cool. The streets also behind me. So cool. It reminds me a bit of France. For some reason, it does. In pistachio. I'm looking for the salted caramel, and there is a portão Michelle was This one is the vegan one, this is the salted caramel one, and this is matcha cookie. We also bought Colombian snack like buñuelos and empanadas. My cousin's girlfriend bought a yuca filled with meat in it. I didn't try it, but they say it was good. Guys, I give the salted caramel cinnamon roll a 7 out of 10. You couldn't really taste the salted caramel, but you know there's something there. But I liked the matcha cookie. It's good. It's good. You can really taste the matcha in it and the white chocolate also. Michelle, smile for the camera. Sorry, no. Tayo na, Colgando di fama.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Ya hablo
Hi
español.
guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys! Eigenlijk aan mijn even kitchen naar Rubiano. The interacting ko original.
Wow, this is so nice.
Going to the architect room.
Already, and we are at the harbor and we're gonna eat paella tonight. I'm not gonna eat paella, but they are gonna eat paella. I think I'm gonna eat patatas bravas, and I'm gonna see if they have vegetarian or vegan options there, and see if they have a paella also vegetarian. I know you can get paella vegetarian, but I don't know if by this restaurant. So let's see what they have on their menu. That's the place that we're gonna eat. There is a vegetarian paella, and I'm gonna eat that. So
Mas aqui você não quer pôr logo filho. Yeah.
Esto sí, yo lo que se ve como cornbread, sí, pero dulce.
¿Ves que más como un torta?
Salud. Para arriba, abajo, centro, para adentro.
hi guys, and today we are exploring the Gothic quarters. Yeah, I really like it. I find this behind me so beautiful. I think I like the Gothic era because everything is so beautiful. I really like it. So let's explore it with me. And pues alguien te gusta detail, anong Me tô colgando de fama.
Sí, estás colgando de mi fama.
No, de mi fama.
Michelle,
You're the tour guide of the group today.
Passa assim? Não, passa, eu sou ATA. A docina só passa aqui na
¡Qué preciosidad!
At dinner, guys. Dinner. I don't know if I want quesadillas or burrito or something like that. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna choose.
You ordered the bone.
Cheers, guys! Hello guys, good morning, and today is our last day in Barcelona. I just did a taste test. You know I love kombucha, so I bought 3 different kombucha and different flavor of kombucha, and this is my favorite one. And also we tried cappuccino and a Coca-Cola. Guys, these are delicious. I'm gonna buy more to bring to Holland. And this is good. I really like it. It's a shame that I can't bring it to Holland. Oh no, it's upstairs. Everybody's alarm's going on and nobody's waking up. Guys, we're walking again to La Sagrada Familia. We are trying Pants and Company. How is the mozzarella?
Very good. I like it.
Yeah?
Love it.
I
Your
don't taste the pesto. Our trip has ended. Today is the day we fly back to Holland, and look at the sunset. Like, for real, it's beautiful.